The Kenya Medical Practitioners, Doctors, Dentists and Pharmacists Union is demanding that the government hires 715 intern doctors by April 1st. According to the union's officials, the government has hatched a plan to postpone the process until July this year. The medical practitioners, however, argued that there was a huge deficit of doctors in Kenya's public hospitals and want the interns hired immediately. The doctors insist the cost of taking in the interns is normally catered for in the recurrent expenditure budget. In the meantime, a round-table dialogue aimed at supporting the implementation of the World Health Organization's Global Code of Practice within East, Central and Southern Africa has recommended that the government of Kenya rebuilds the trust with the country's medical personnel so as to prevent any future strikes. At the meeting, it was observed that Kenya was losing valuable medical practitioners as they do not feel comfortable working in the country owing to poor conditions and low pay. This can be changed if the government keeps the promises it made to doctors during negotiations that led to a return-to-work agreement after last year's crippling industrial action. Elsewhere, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Local Government Musalia Mudavadi has said that the Orange Democratic Movement should embrace democracy and allow members to contest for the party ticket as they seek various political positions. Speaking during a meeting with ODM delegates in Garissa County, Mudavadi assured the delegates that he will work with members of Garissa County should he win in the upcoming presidential election. And still on party politics, the Party of National Unity's National Executive Council members have endorsed Transport Minister Amos Kimunya to take up the position of the party's National Secretary General, left vacant after the resignation of Energy Minister Kiraitu Murungi. The NEC members also announced that PNU will come up with a new constitution to enhance democracy and transparency in its nomination exercise. It sought to assure members that the party's recruitment drive was still on course and that PNU will soon meet the requirement of the new Political Parties Act. And from Siaya County, a 33-year-old man was lynched to death after he was allegedly found sneaking around the home of Consolata Adhiambo, a 60-year-old widow in Randango, Siaya district. Paul Odhiambo was surrounded and killed by a mob early Tuesday morning following screams from the homeowner after she found him in her home. Area Assistant Chief Vitalis Molo said the motive of the intruder was still unclear, though he had previously served a jail term for robbery. Charity Waweru, Citizen Live at 9.